Hello, I'm Lee from Data Harvest, and in today's video we're going to show you our wireless conductivity sensor. So it comes in two parts. You've got the adapter and you've got the electrode here as well. All our wireless Bluetooth sensors are Bluetooth and USB, so you can see the USB connection there, button to turn it on and off on the bottom. They all have a unique 6-digit number, so you'll notice in a moment when I connect it to the EasySense 2 software that you can connect. And if you have multiple conductivities in one room, it doesn't matter because that 6-digit number is unique to this sensor. So we'll turn it on. So that's now broadcasting Bluetooth. It's flashing blue. We'll connect the electrode as well. Go to the EasySense 2 software, which is a free download from all the appropriate app stores. So we click connect. Takes a couple of seconds. Again, it depends on the device you're using. Now we've set it to 2000 microsiemens as the default range. You can change it to whatever you want, go right down to 1000. If you go down to 1000, which is probably the one that we'll use today, which will work quite happily, more than anything else, conductivity sensor seems to be used either for brackish water, so when river water meets the sea water, so you've got the brackish there, or quality of water or drinking water, distilled water, just so you can start to check those. So I don't want temperature today as well. I'm going to have that switched off. I'm going to go and click onto graph. Now I could run as a continuous graph, but I'm actually going to use snapshot on here today. So if there's two ways that I can do now. I could go to setup and decide to use snapshot just here, but an easier way that I should have done, if I go back to home, I can now click on snapshot and it sets the graph up for me. But instead of having line data on my graph here, I'm going to have bar charts because I can now actually add some text on the comment here as well as I go along. So I can now click start. Now we have some river water from the river just down the road just here, and the small one's drinking water. Separate sizes, so I don't forget which one is which. So we're now started. I can now go and put that, actually let's put it properly and just put it on here. So put that in. And so that one is the river water. Now river water should be between 250 and 800 microsiemens. Okay, there you go. This is coming in at 743. Now on the right hand side, you do have the live data. I've not stored any data yet because when I go and click sample at the top, it's now stored that information. I can write in the comment box just here. Whoops, typing's always been terrible. Let's turn the capital off there. So that one is river water. The next one. Should maybe dry it in between. It will pollute it slightly, but sort of bucket science here today so you can see how it works. So we've let that one settle, so that's not too bad at all. So we can now take a sample. So we had the river water one just there. We're now going to take another sample just here. And this one is actually drinking water and it's saying 569 microsiemens. I think I might have polluted it a little bit. Drinking water should be about 50 to 200 microsiemens. So it will be interested in your school if you see what your drinking water actually is on here to what it really should be before you can drink it. So we'll go and click on here. So this is drinking water. So we've got drinking water on, oops. There you go, because drinking water on there. So that's as easy as that. So you can take as many readings as you want on here, all sorts of different environments on here. You could also have ultra pure water if you want to go between them, distilled water, rainwater, and you can have all of those lined up accordingly, take one of each under snapshot, and then actually put the comments there on the side as well. We have lots more videos on our YouTube channel, which we'd love you to subscribe to. Please go to our secondary academy at data-harvest.co.uk. And down the bottom, click on the bell and just allow notifications for when we put up more videos. On our Teaching Academy, we do actually have it broken down into 3 areas. So the first area is how the EasySense 2 software works. There's another area of how the wireless sensors work. And the third one is combining those two into experiments, which is what you're really watching today on this video just here. If you want any more information from us, please contact sales@data-harvest.co.uk. Thank you.